What's up YouTube, it's your boy Madison. For this video I'm gonna show you guys how I just recorded my song, my track on BandLab. So if you guys can see all these tracks, all this voice audio, these are the inputs, these are the tracks that I was singing. So if you guys wanna make your tracks, this is how you guys are gonna make your tracks. So what you need to do firstly is look for a suitable preset for your vocals. So BandLab, let's say for example the first one. So all you need to do is press right here where it says voice audio. You can press directly here, and then when it highlights red, you press again on the mic, on the red mic, then you press on the red mic. Then when you open, you look for the suitable presets. So this, like, if you see this one's written my presets, these are the presets that I saved. So luckily for you guys, now BandLab has given us the chance to like use their presets. They actually have presets that are also made by other artists. You know what I'm saying? So you need to look for suitable, so you can choose like from various presets that you want. So you can choose preset that you want, or you can just create a preset here where it says create preset. So after you do that, you select, like for example here I'll select 70S BandLab and you press right here on the top right way on the X. So this is okay, let me just show you how it sounds on solo. So this is like the intro of my So what you need to now do is go back here and press where it says demonize right here. Demonize. So it's gonna remove some of the noise, and let me play it with the beat. So this is my intro. Let me play it with the beat. So this is solo with the beat, right? So listen. So this is my unreleased song. After you've done all this and you wanna go to your next track, you don't the last thing you wanna do is record everything on one track. Like record each and every voice of yours on different tracks. So you see here there's some noises. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna do this where there's a red line, and I'm gonna press the red box, and I'll go here where it says split, right here. When I press there, then I also go here to split the noise, right? To split the noise. So yeah, guys, you can sound like Juice WRLD, you can sound like any artist you want to sound like. So here at the presets, that's where you can sound like any artist. So on my second track, let me just show you. Let me just play it solo. Yeah, so the last thing you want to do is record your tracks on one track. So right here, okay, so I'm gonna play you this one. What you wanna do is remove all this unnecessary noise. So you wanna delete it. So after you delete it, so let me just add my other track. Okay. So let me just remove the beat for a second. So this is what my track will sound like without the backup. Without the backup. So backups actually make your song sound actually way cooler. Like, yeah, the last thing you want to do is sing a song and people will like won't like people will like think that like you didn't put effort like in your song. So what you want to do is impress the one who's going to be listening to your song. So someone's going to be listening to your song wants to appreciate how you actually made everything so possible. You know what I'm saying? Like the way you made everything so precise and perfect. So here I'm gonna play my first vocal. So this is my chorus. I don't need nobody. I don't want nobody. I don't need no. So if you sing like me, so let me show you how you do it. So you go to your presets, you press on the purple mic, you go there. So when you press right there, you wanna go to auto tune. I usually put it on 100%, but yeah, my voice is like fine. But if you know like your voice needs just set here, like where there's arrow, yeah, okay. So that's where you wanna like go and set. So this I think I just put it on 90, yeah, on 90, yeah, cause my voice was fine this day. It just depends on how you wanna sing. So like some people actually don't like use the auto pitch, but what you need to actually do is at least put it like the lowest you can put it is 75%, because your voice actually sound nicer. Even if your voice is perfect, you actually need to put it to just make it like sound nicer. Yeah, because yeah, you just start pressing. You see here, you can press whatever you want, press wherever you want to press. Yeah. So now I'm gonna play it with my backup voice. So yeah. So the preset I was using right here is called oh, this is a custom preset. I didn't use a preset here. Sorry guys. I think this is the one I made. Let me just open it for you guys. Yeah, so you wanna copy this everything that's here. Make sure that's everything you got, right? Right. Yeah. Make sure you actually get everything. So you can just pause and put those edits. Yeah, it actually needs you to actually put some effort. It's just, yeah. So more listeners and more viewers will actually listen to your music, because it's like art. So let me just play with the backup voice. I don't need nobody. I don't want nobody. 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 Something up. I hope you always had the last sound. Yeah, this irritating sound. So what you wanna do is remove all the noises that will disturb your music. So let me play my next vocal. So as you can as you guys can see, I was using many vocals. Okay, so the blue one was my backup. So let me play this other one that's under yeah. Nobody gonna stop me now. Haba vengi vanga panang is something a handsome gonna see what of pungan did it bang. That was then something from from what I just taught you guys. Yeah, so it's actually pretty easy to record on BandLab. All you just need to do is just start pressing and pressing everything. You want to know how everything works, because they actually put everything for a reason. So what you want to do is mess up with those items, right? So I'm just gonna play everything now with the beat on, and I hope y'all who listen to the song. This is my upcoming song. It's my unreleased. I'm gonna release it soon. I'm not done editing, and yeah, for the next video I'll show you guys how to feature with someone, how you can feature with someone even in the UK, like in another continent. You can just send him a link of your BandLab item. If he's using BandLab, like y'all can actually use BandLab as well. BandLab is actually pretty easy to use, and yeah, it's actually easy to use, and you don't need special, like, it's not like FL Studio though. So yeah, I hope y'all like it. So I'm just gonna play like the intro part because I'm not done with the other part, the rest of the song. But yeah, I hope y'all like it, and I hope y'all learn something. Y'all can leave a comment below on what else y'all wanna understand, and yeah, I hope y'all like it.
I don't need nobody. I don't want nobody. I don't need nobody. I don't want nobody. I don't need nobody. I don't want nobody. I don't need nobody. I don't want nobody.
Nobody gon' stop me now. Abavengi bangapana is something. Hands on where I see what a fung and did it bang.